Hi, my name is Dave Andrews. Today I'm going to show you some basic Excel spreadsheet work. Let's go to our computer. Let's open up Excel. Go into All Programs. Let's find Microsoft Office. And just click on Microsoft Office Excel. Now a spreadsheet is basically laid out in that your column headers define the data, and then each row is actually a row inside of the data. Now I'm going to give you an example here. Let's say we have employees as a header and their number of sales as another header. So as you can see, this very top row are headers for the data that's going to fall beneath. So I'm going to type in some employees here, as well as their number of sales. Now, this is a spreadsheet format, and I can actually highlight these and bold the headers and make them a little bit larger, make them red, and then that sort of makes it stand out a little bit. That's what Excel is really good at doing. And in your spreadsheet, too, you can also drop in what are called formulas that will actually do calculations on the data. So let's say we want to sum up the number of sales. I'm actually going to type total. And now to sum the number of sales for all of our employees without getting out a calculator and adding it ourselves, let's just type equals sum and then open parentheses. Let's select our sales by holding our mouse over it and basically dragging until they're all selected. Close parentheses, and then there's our answer. Now Excel will also allow you to change this data, and it automatically updates that formula. Those are some basic uses of Excel's spreadsheets. My name is Dave Andrews, and I've just showed you some basic uses of Excel spreadsheets.